for Ruby and Robbie and Dusty and Callie Rose. Shoot. Had a feeling it would end up this way if I lived long enough. I leave the house to Ruby, the plants too. May she and Robbie build a world here of their own. I have $10,250 at the Canejos Credit Union. $5,000 goes to Dusty to build a home however he feels best. The rest goes to Callie Rose for college, because she's such a smart girl. And that's about it. You got what you got, and it was always enough for me. Dusty, if you're amenable, I'd like to be buried in the plot on the ranch. It's got a lovely view. I love you all.